Free Tip Friday. Ooh, where are you? Here you go. Free Tip Friday. Let's go down to the table. We're going to talk about pigtails in your sanding. Some of the causes of them. So some of the causes of them are previous grits, uh, dust on your work surface and on your pad. Okay. It's a good idea when you change grits, clean your pad off and definitely vacuum and wipe off your surface that you're sanding between grits, because you'll have the previous grit left on there and it's bigger, right? And so it's going to leave pigtails. Another thing that leaves pigtails is when you're sanding and you get big deposits on your pad, whether it's, you're sanding off finish. Sometimes wood clogs up, sometimes the dust clogs up on your pad that you're generating. So clean that off and make sure, because that can cause really big pigtails. You can try one of these sanding erasers. Sometimes they work, but just wipe it off, and I'll take a razor and pluck these off and just like scrape them off, just so I can get a little more life out of the pad. But once the pad gets so bad, change it out, throw it away, because you're just making more work for yourself. Hey, be safe on your job site and in your shop, and whatever you do, have a great day. See ya.